Good morning guys. Yan, we are here in Panglao Island guys for holiday, 5 days holiday. At ipapakita ko lang yung ating Airbnb na ni-rent. Actually 2 days na kami dito guys, kaya medyo messy na yung ating house. Kaya yan. Ito yung aming sala na maliit. And this is the kitchen. Yan. Parang ano lang to siya guys, bachelor's pad. Kaya ayun ay ating malita. Meron kaming maliit na bed. Yan. Very cozy. May maliit na TV. At yan yung ating bathroom. Yan. May shower. Yan guys, kaya ayun mamaya mag-aano tayo, mamamasyal tayo kung saan tayo makakarating, kaya hold on guys. Guys, nandito tayo sa Pahangog Twin Falls. Yan, ang ganda ng kanilang falls. Dito yan sa Bohol. Yan. Ang ganda. One of the famous tourist spots in Bohol.
First time you din po sa Bohol, ma'am?
There's a small waterfalls.
Good.
You can swim if you like. You want to swim? But it's so... over there. Yeah. Woo. Go. Hi guys, this is the Lokang Falls in City here. Wow, so nice. Selfish. Masag still?
Kain.
Wow, lechon. Ang laki ng lechon ha. Pila na ka kilo kuya?
80 plus.
Wow. Sana? baligya o na party?
Birthday, ma'am.
Ah, kaya pala. Oh,